my gosh.
This is something that looks like it's out of a movie. It doesn't really look real.
This is part of a phenomenon that we call an algal bloom or a red tide.
And you should already start seeing that glow right at the front of the boat.
They do really like warm temperatures, calm conditions, and we've had a pretty long run of that here in Southern California over the last couple of weeks.
I thought it was the most magical thing I've ever seen in my entire life, and I've been kind of chasing that since then. I remember filming that, and I actually had tears in my eyes. I've been trying to get it out here again. It was just like seeing it for the first time. Really incredible, and something that I might not ever see again.